Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the Multiple Stream King, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, listen, I'm about to show you how you can make $100 per sale online using your smartphone or laptop right now. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, I'm back. Listen, so first of all, if this is your first time on my channel, where have you been? All right, listen, I need you to click that subscribe button so anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. I drop nothing but the goods and something that you want to hear and also that can benefit you. All right, so listen, I know why you're here. $100 per sale, pique your interest. Me as well, man. I'm here to share it with you, and hopefully, it's up on you to take action, okay? When I say take action, take massive action. Today is April 27th, okay? This video may not drop until April 28th. All right, but listen here. It's about to be mayhem, and you want to be at the top of this thing, okay? So listen, I'm going to show you all how you can make an extra $100 per sale online, all right? I'm part of a phenomenal opportunity called MyEcon, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly why, first of all, this company is so powerful and how you can literally get in this thing and win big because of what we offer, okay? So here's the thing. There's so many different offers out there and so many opportunities online, I know, okay? But how many are paying $100 per sale, all right? A lot of these opportunities, they pay good, but it's kind of hard to get behind it because of the product you're promoting or the product you're pushing. First of all, you're not a believer in it. First of all, you don't know if it works, okay? You're not using it yourself. You're not a product of the product, and so it becomes a little bit difficult to share and sell those opportunities. Well, I want to get you something that sells itself. I want to share something with you that everyone needs, okay, and wants. See, I tell people, when you can satisfy a need and a want, oh, that's money in the bank, okay? And I'm so excited about this opportunity. I've been a part of this company now for almost 8-9 months. Okay, almost a year. All right, and it's getting better and better and better and better and better. And it's because of the leadership. Okay, it's because of the leadership. And now they've got it to where we can literally get in this thing and capitalize. So I got a $10,000 run that I'm on for us making $10,000 a month. And I want to show you all how you can actually do it too. Okay, so listen. What do we offer? What is MyEcon? First of all, MyEcon is a financial personal success company. Okay, I'm going to give you all a few tips to show you how you can go about marketing this thing, how you can capitalize and win big, and what we're doing to win right now. Okay, so look, let's see what it is first. Like, you're saying a whole lot, Derek, but what is it? All right, I want to make $100 per sale, but what is it? Well, here's the thing. When I say financial success company, we're teaching people how to create their own economy. Okay, there's a few things that you need to have in place in order to do so. And the number one product we sell is credit. But you say, what? We offer our own do-it-yourself credit repair system. Okay, we have thousands upon thousands of people going in and being able to do their own credit versus paying someone to do it for you. You can do it yourself. And when I say simple, step by step, I'm just going to show you a few videos here. Well, just to show you the back, I'm not going to actually go into the videos. All right, once you join below at www.paidinfull.biz. All right, matter of fact, I'm actually going to have a different link for you. The link will be below. Okay, I'm going to send you a different link so you can take a look at this. Okay. I have a couple of websites explaining this opportunity, but I'm going to send you about that on the fly. Here we go. So look, the 750 credit plan membership. Okay, I'm talking about step by step, showing you exactly what to do and how to fix your credit. We have people literally fixing it and improving their credit. All right, taking those points up and up and up and up and up within the first 30 days. All right, and you can do it too. All right, and what I love about it, all right, a lot of our people, a lot of our, should I say, business partners, all right, have now capitalized in such a way to where they're starting their own credit repair companies. Okay, because of the knowledge that you're going to get with these do-it-yourself. I mean, these are literally videos showing you exactly what to do. Okay, that it's so easy for them now. Now they're repairing people credit. All right, they're starting their own establishment. They're getting LLCs. All right, they're opening up their own little small offices and really starting credit repair businesses because of this. So there's multiple streams inside of this. All right, but all we do is get on social media and share. Who wants a 750 credit score or better? Think about it. How many people that you know right now walking around who have a 750 credit score or better? Not too many, right? And so you can see the opportunity is wide. All right. When I thought about this company and when it was brought to me, I sat back and I put my business hat on and I said, wow, if I was to go out into the streets right now and talk to 10 people, 90% of them, maybe 80%, probably would have bad credit and would want their credit fixed. In this day and age now, it's always been tough to get a vehicle of the ride of your choice, all right, without good credit. But now it's hard to even get a job, a good job, all right, without credit, because now they're doing credit checks. Okay, so this is something that everybody needs and wants, and I love it. For that alone, this company is worth it, and it's only $35 a month. Get that. It's only $35 a month to run this membership, okay? Now, what else do we have? You say, okay, that's cool. Check this out. How many of y'all working a job right now? Well, excuse me, y'all. You need to learn how to income shift your to income shift your income. And what I mean by that is give yourself a raise on your job, okay? Be able to give yourself a raise on your job. So if I scroll below, this is called income shifting, okay? Income shifting is going to show you how to adjust your W-4 the correct way and actually give yourself a raise. I've done it. Almost everybody in the company has done it, okay? And so you say, "What? Why are you telling me this?" Because let me tell you something. When you become a product of the product, people come. And so what I had my team doing, I said, you know what? Keep your last paycheck stub. Go in and follow the instructions of this income shifting video so you can adjust your W-4 the correct way. All right. And then show the 2 different paycheck stubs. Show show the raise you've given yourself. People from 80 to 90 to $100 raises on their paychecks. Okay. Amazing. All right. Amazing. So I'm telling you all now. It gets no better. Now check this out. Once you join us, you're going to be added to our private Facebook training group. Okay, there's 2 Facebook training groups. I have my own personal private Facebook training group where I train my team. You're going to see my fully loaded training website. All right, you're also going to be added to the training group. But also, okay, upon joining, you're going to be joining the #1 team in the company. Okay, let me show you how deep we are. Let me show you how deep we are. 1 second. Apologize for the lag. But as you all know, that's technology for you. Look at that. 12,000 members. Okay? And there's training. There's tons of testimonials for you to use. Okay? And we're steady growing. Okay? So let's look at the numbers. We're talking about $100 per sale. That's on each individual sale that you get. All right? Can you average 10 sales a month? All right, that's $1,000. All right, easily a month. Okay, the goal should be 1,000 sales a week. All right, that's 4,000 a month. My goal, personal goal, is 10,000 a month. It's only 100 sales. Y'all, that's simple. Okay, when you're using Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, you're able to reach the masses. Okay, but check this out. This is gonna really blow your mind. So I already told you get $100 per sale. But how about they're going to give you $90 for your team sales? So each individual person that you bring in, their first sale, you get $90. So literally, you have the potential to make $200 for every person you bring in. Because what is their goal? Their goal is to make those $100 commissions as well. In order to do so, they need to bring in their first person. Okay? And so you're going to get $90 off of that first sale. Man, listen. If you're trying to make some money online and you're trying to reach your income goals, this is going to help you reach your income goals faster. See, I've been a part of commissions where you get $25, $50, $75. That's all cool. All right, but to be able to make $100 to $190 per sale, amazing. And you can really reach those income goals real fast. All right, we're about to have a phenomenal summer. All right, and you can too, but you got to take action, and you got to take massive action. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to put your business on autopilot. I'm going to show you the tools that we're using. I bet you say, what all do I need? I have one system for you to use. I'm not going to tell you, you need to go get this, you need to go get this, you need to go get this. No. Plug into our training. You're going to see exactly what it is we're doing, exactly how to do it. All right, we're going to basically hold your hand through this deal and walk you to the money. You just have to take action. You have to take action. You have to believe. You have to want more for yourself. Okay? If you have a job, you need this. All right? If you are a human being, 18 years or older, you need what we have. All right? Credit. Cash used to be king. Cash, to me, cash still is king, but credit is power. Okay? And without credit, I'm telling you, you are taking an L. All right? So, click on the link below. All right? Click on the link below and make a decision to get started today. We're about to blow this thing out the water. My income goal is $10,000 a month. You sit back right here at home right now watching this video and you do the numbers. You think about how many people you can bring in and make $100 per sale. You think about now them people bringing in people, which they are. All right, you get $90 per sale and do the math. And you're going to sit back and say, you know what? Okay, I got some income goals I got to reach. There's some things I want and need in life. Let me set out an action plan and then go get it. And like I said, take massive action. And you too can make $100 per sale. All right, and literally get to 6 figures. Literally get to 6 figures. You want to be a 6-figure earner? This opportunity is going to allow you to do so. But you got to put in the work. Okay, it doesn't happen by you just signing up and say, okay, I pray this works for me. No. Faith without works is dead. So you got to put that faith in there, but you also got to put that work in too. All right, so I'm looking for action takers. I'm looking for people who are ready to work, ready to grind. No excuses, just results. And let's go get it all summer long. All right, let's take this 2019 up to a whole nother level. So when 2020 comes, you're on the beaches of the world. You got to grind now, shine later. Okay, too many people want to shine right now. Let's grind first. Let's grind, let's work, and let's go get it. I will see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.